Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin review for today. So just starting off on the weekly chart here, and you can see we had a pretty strong move down last couple of weeks from the highs around 64,000. Dropped back into the, we tagged kind of 30,000, almost a 50% retracement of the move. And from Fibonacci perspective, that is something you need to pay attention to. But what I'm interested in here on the weekly is the price action that is forming right now. And I just want to, so I'm just highlighting the high of this week here. Okay, that was that was November last year, and that was the high, and then you can see we broke above it, but you can see how we came back to test that area and form some structure, pretty much formed a bit of a flag for a move to the upside. So we've come back to test that area, and look at this weekly bar here. We've got a sort of an inside bar type thing. It's got a bullish sentiment to it. So and you look at the current week that's forming right now, pretty interesting that we have a green bit of structure forming. So we come to the daily, you'll see the consolidation that we've got here. So what I'm going to do here is I gave you this triangle. So there's two scenarios on offer, as it always is, but I'm just adjusting this triangle to be a little bit more sort of broadly based. And you can see big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up. So this is confusion. It is consolidation in a triangle with quite a bit of weekly support below it. So this is the weekly support that we are at now. So that's 29,700. So 29,700 is the support area. At the moment, inside bar, we spoke about this yesterday. So we had an inside bar, and then got a bit of a kind of a red day yesterday, and then followed at the moment where we're just hovering around. So this is still consolidating. It's not an opportunity to buy into it yet, but the longer we continue like this, sort of building a base, the higher the probability is that we may very well be at the bottom of this move. So looking at the 4 hour again, you can see this week we've had a nice solid engulfing bar here, up to be expected, finding resistance on the moving average, which is exactly what's transpiring. And you can see this trend line is also hovering on the moving average as well. So for me at the moment, still sit quietly and wait, but the opportunity to buy into this is just getting closer and closer and closer. So it was here yesterday. Okay, basically we've got another fractal level formed over here. So that would be the break that I'd be looking for. You can see a break of that would break the trend line. So that's the area we're paying attention to, which is 37,937. Let's just call it 3,800 just to be safe. So we need to get above 3,800 at the moment and find support there. That would validate an opportunity to start looking for longs in my books. So yeah, I think it's well worth just paying attention to it, and we'll keep the daily videos going until we find the structure we're looking for. But I'm not really looking to short this just yet. This is consolidating, so I'm looking for opportunity to buy, and I typically don't trade this. So I'm looking to buy for my medium and long-term portfolios right now. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.